What makes the idea of negativity so offensive to our minds? Why it is so harmful to be negative in our life? But before I start, let me tell you an experience of mine. I remember that one day while I was brushing my teeth, let me tell you that I usually gargle twice whenever I brush my teeth. At that particular day, however, I gargled thrice consecutively. Now, I still remember that when I completed my second gargle, a thought came into my mind and I got carried away by it, eventually resulting in the third gargle. Now, the thought was nothing very specific, it was a simple kind of future planning related stuff. Yet, I got carried away by it. Now, assume what happens when a person is not mindful about the thought which are going inside his own mind, and specifically what happens when the thought or the whole perspective is negative in nature. That's a dangerous thing usually. But why? That is the question over here. Why? You see, while considering my own example of producing an extra gargle while being carried away by a single thought, assume there is a, first of all, you need to understand that a negative perspective always generates a negative thought process, and a negative thought always produces a negative action. A positive action can never be produced or can never be initiated by a negative thought or an idea. If I want to love someone, I need to come up with an thought, come up with an intention of love and affection towards that person. I cannot hate and show love at the same time. That's a delusion, that's a lie, that's a very big lie, major lie, and it's not going to affect that other person. Actually, it is, but it's going to affect your own mind, your own psyche, your own whole life. That actually you are living, you are trying to tackle, you are trying to justify that lie of yours at all moments of your life. That is what negativity usually does to us. You see, when a negative thought comes within our mind, and there are many negative ideas, our mind is full of these negative ideas, thoughts, perspective, emotion, fixation. Now, what actually happens that when we are unable to connect with these ideas and equally are unable to express these ideas, it stays in a suppressed manner within our psyche. That is the big problem. Suppression, the stay of that negativity within our own mind is the big problem. It's the major problem. You think that you love someone. That's a good thing. That's a good idea. It feels good. But what happens when an individual feels that he hates someone? He want to slap that person. He want to, I don't know what to say. He want to maybe, let's say, kick him out from his own house. Who knows? But we are unable to express that feeling, that emotion. And that is where the problem starts, when that whole idea starts to carry that energy within our nervous system, within our bloodstream, within our whole biological system, which we call as the body. And simply rot the physiology of our whole, physical system, mental system, whatever you want to say. You need to understand, thought carries a great amount of energy. And that is how negativity affects us. You don't want to live with a rotten kind of energy. It's harmful. You don't want to feel the pain, the trauma, the anguish, the agony. At all moments of your life, you want to feel blissful. We all want to feel in a peaceful state, not like a tornado, not like a hurricane. That's disturbance actually. That's negativity. Disturbance can never be considered as peace. It's quite opposite of that. What actually is peace is something less in count, which our mind can can actually feel, can get absorbed with it. So, what negativity does to us is create the massive ripples, tides within our whole body, within our whole mind, within our whole psyche. With that similar energy, with that similar energy of negativity. Yes. Just understand this fact that a positive emotion never produces a negative action, and a negative action, I'm repeating this my term of this. A negative action never ever produces a positive action. And if you want to live a positive life, then you better start ignoring these negative emotion staying within your own mind. It is harmful.